Now, Baltimore is a very unique city. It gets a bad rep in the press if you're still listening to the media and all the negative news, but it's a city on the rise.
My husband and I took over my grandparents' house, 1056 West Fayette Street, in 1985. And in those 36 years, we had lost hope for this neighborhood. We invested almost everything we could get our hands on to restore this house, yet nothing was happening in this community. And with HomeFree-USA coming in, first they restored houses across the street, down the block, and now they are just about finished these 4 houses that are adjacent to me, and we now have hope.
It's been a great opportunity working with HomeFree-USA to focus on one of the key indicators in rebuilding wealth, and especially the Black and brown communities that we represent as an organization in Southwest Baltimore, and that is home ownership.